Hi everyone, if you're new to my channel, my name is Lavinia. In today's video, I am going to be drawing a Zentangle in this little floral sketchbook for the month of May. I have, as far as for supplies, my Zentangle pencil. Any pencil will do. I do have an eraser. I have my brush to sweep away any crumbs because I think I will be erasing some pencil lines. I have a set of Micron PN pens that I bought, I believe, at Hobby Lobby. Today I'm going to be using the brown one just to do something different. I already drew a square in my sketchbook in pencil. This is a Fisker's 2.5 square. I got this at Hobby Lobby several years ago when I was doing some sewing projects. But let me go ahead and turn to the page that we're going to be drawing in. So this Zentangle is called NanaLee, and it's by CZT Mary Fain. When I first looked at it, I always wonder, where do the names come from? And I thought, well, maybe this was, Grandma Lee. Instead, it's for NanaLee is for banana leaves. So once you see this, you'll understand why. And it's a very, very fun Zentangle, I think. Very relaxing to draw. And if you're following along with the florals, or maybe you're doing other florals, doodles, anything like that, I think having a variety of different leaves is also nice to incorporate in your floral garden. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm just going to draw this with my pencil. Actually, I'm going to draw it with my pen. The reason why, I wanted to draw the border in pencil is because I was thinking I would like to have these leaves go over the border and make it almost look like it's coming out. So that's why I drew this in pencil, but I will go over it later on in ink. So simple drawing, just go ahead and draw the first part of the stem, and then just going to give that an aura. So this could be straight, this could be a little bit curved. Then we're going to start drawing some of the veins. So I like to think of it as an antenna coming out of there, and then a straight line, and then just two coming down like that. So it's almost like cat whiskers. And then the next thing you're going to do is just start drawing some other veins. And if you want to take a look first at how I finish this, you'll see why some are shorter and some are longer than others. So we're going to start here on one side first. Like that. And then we're going to draw the other side. I'm just turning it over. It's just easier for me to have it flick upwards. They don't have to be, long here and long there. You just draw them however you please. Maybe I'll make that a little bit longer. Okay, and now that you have that, we are going to draw the contour of the leaf. And you're pretty much just giving it an aura. So I'm dipping in where it's shorter. And then when I'm coming here, I'm coming to touch right there in the middle. And then come on back out. And you're just kind of going around. And this is NanaLee. So I'm going to go ahead and draw some other ones. Let me see if I can come a little bit closer. So perhaps one that comes behind this one. If you wanted to draw this in pencil, just so that you can, keep an eye, for example, maybe where that would go if I were to keep on going. Maybe it would come out here. I'm going to do that little straight line and come on back down. Like that. And then I'm going to give it its whiskers. So first with those antennae, then that straight line going across. Like that. And then wherever you want to start with those flicks there. There's no right or wrong, just however in your imagination, I guess you could think, oh, okay, maybe I want to go like this. So you would just go ahead and put in those lines. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and connect those. Oop, forgot this side here. And I think I might color these in with either my pastel pencils or color pencils, but I'm not going to do that in this video because I think what I would like to do actually is take a look at pictures of some banana leaves and see the variation of colors in them. And perhaps there's one that is coming out, maybe, let's have this go over. So maybe it's coming from this side and coming on over. Give it its little antenna, whiskers. And I thought the brown Micron PN pen might be fun. To use in this particular design. Almost reminds me of a centipede before we start putting in the contour. Okay, and then going to start here. Maybe that goes behind, dips down. Just like that. Let's see, maybe there is one. Maybe there's one actually coming down this way. How about we do that? I think we're going to turn it around though to go ahead and put the leaf shape in. So that's behind that one. That's coming behind. Like that. And now I'm going to go ahead and ink in this border. Yeah, I'm not going to take out my pastel pencils tonight. However, once I complete that, I will go ahead and show you what it looks like once we do the next drawing. So there is this little corner here. It's actually kind of cool. We've completed our border. I'm going to go ahead and erase these lines just to make that stand out. I think that turned out really nice. So this is NanaLee for Banana Leaves by CZT, Mary Fain. Let me zoom out just a little so you can take a look at that. I hope you give this one a try. And thanks so much for watching, everyone. Take care. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.